What you guys waiting for? Huh? Oh! Getting cook the food. Iba to. There you go. That's bad. You pick the food. Ano, Ramon? What you think, man? Ramon, what you think of this place, man? Not bad, huh? Yeah, see. I guess first you gotta pick your food, huh? You get all kind of meat over here: chicken, beef, pork, lamb, turkey, ham, oh, barbecue pork, noodles, all kinds of stuff. You pick them, they cook them. That's bad. You pick the food, and you pick your own sauce. What kind of sauce they got over there? Oh, pineapple sauce, house special, sesame garlic sauce, soy sauce, oh, all kinds of sauce, barbecue sauce, lemon sauce, Shaoxing wine. Okay to ah. Okay to ah.
My brother from another mother.
Oh. Oh, and then nothing ends up over there. Gotta come in line and have them cook. Oh.
Hey, come on, 2 plates too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, luto na. Wow. Like this it. Like this it. You pick it, we cook it. Ain't bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Cái miền mẫu ta đó. Cái miền mẫu ta đó.